How to add text in video in just 3 steps. Step 1. Open KineMaster app.
No one's gonna leave you broken hearted. You don't need nobody else. Everyone knows you're doing well.
Choose an image or clip to get started.
Yeah, not a worry in the world, you ain't scared of nothing. You a boss kind of girl, you got all you wanted.
Step 2. Tap on layer, then text.
Give a warning, don't let yourself be
After your
restrained.
text, just type in the words and tap on the top right check mark.
Yeah. Just one look in your eyes and I know I found who I'm looking for. It's the way that you smile that captivates my mind. 'Cause I see the way you're winning. You got something that inspires everyone who's lost their vision. You got something that everyone is craving. I'm just wishing.
Step 3. Make all the necessary adjustments to your text. You can customize your text.
Something about the way you look when you sip your chai. You got nothing to hide. That your future's so bright. So just smile like there's no one watching.
Pick your favorite color.
Don't you know that everybody wants to be your love? Ooh, don't you know, yeah, that I never thought I'd fall under your spell. Yeah.
Animation.
One look in your eyes and I know I found who I'm looking for. It's the way that you smile that captivates my mind.
And when you are done adjusting your text, save.
See the way you're winning.